Hello and welcome back, guys. So, what to expect from while conducting cold calling? Cold calling is essential for a lot of sales representatives, virtual assistants, renters, so on and so forth. Now, all this can be done by minimizing the discomfort at both the ends. Here are some useful tips for cold calling. First, know whom you're talking to and know their name, their job title, and the company that they're working for. Second, have an objective before you place the call. This is so that you have something to talk about when the other person answers the call on the other end. Third and the last point to be taken, always be friendly and courteous. Now, it's not uncommon to have to leave a voice message if the person on the other end does not answer. So being patient will definitely go a long way towards being pleasant to the person on the other line.